are going to cook a special recipe from my daddy, which he learned from somewhere.
Yes, today we'll cook
Frilled chicken barbecue. It's called frilled because it's both fried and grilled.
I learned this when I went to the province, somewhere in the Visayas, where they cook delicious chicken barbecues.
We hope this turns out great as the original. And I hope that it's even better than the original.
There's only one way to find out.
So let's stop looking and let's get cooking.
Let's go!
even though it was crunchy in the outside, it was soft and cooked in the inside, and it was absolutely scrumptious. In fact, I want to taste it again. And if you want to see the recipe again, then watch this video again.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also by ringing the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. This is my dad.
This is my son, Bob.
Saying
Happy Weekend!